Hi, this is Saad at Johnson RV down here in Fife, Washington. We're home of the premium pre-owned motorhomes. Today I will be showing you the 2014 Leisure Travel U24MB, which is the Murphy bed edition. First off, it's sitting on a 3-liter V6 Mercedes engine with the Sprinter chassis. Very well known, durable, long lasting. Let's come along this way here. You got the power steps here that'll go in and out as you open the door. Powered awning right on top. You got the frameless window that opens up like a canopy, so that way you can leave it open during the rainy season as well. You got storage down below. Got it. And right here is the outside 110. If you want to connect a radio to that, you can. These are the exhausts for the refrigerator, freezer, refrigerator section. You got the exhaust for your furnace as well. Down below here is your access to the generator. This is on the 3600 watt propane generator. Close that up. Additional storage here. And then also offers you some more storage on the side as well. All right, let's go around the back here. Notice that you have the camera mounted on top so you can see quite a bit. It also acts as a rear view display as well. Down below is a class 3 hitch rated to tow 5,000 pounds. And you have a one-piece fiberglass in the back here integrated to the body. Over here are all your outside connection. There and there. You got your 6-gallon hot water tank, 30 amp connection, and then when you're done with your sewer hose, it goes right in here away from everything. That way it doesn't contaminate anything at all. You got additional storage down below. Let's go ahead and head inside and see what this has. Okay, we're inside of the 2014 Leisure Travel U24MB. It's the Murphy bed edition. Let's take a look at the front section first here, at the cab area. As you can see, both of these seats will pivot around, so that way you have additional seating for guests. First off, you got the steering wheel control with the Bluetooth connection to your phone as well. Manual display right here. Navigation right here as well. Your temperature controls. So everything's straightforward. Let's head back over here and give you an idea of on the storage. Yeah, you got storage here, storage right on top. Look at that. And then in the front door area, you have this protection here, so that way you don't fall through there when you have the bed down. And on this side, you got your TV that goes away when you don't need it. It becomes a nice little countertop. And when you need it, all you need to do is push that button, hydraulic lifts. Control panels right here, dimmer for your lights. Again, storage pretty much everywhere on here. Storage down below as well. That you can put your DVD player down there. And right on top here, you got your microwave convection oven. Down below that is the 3-way refrigerator. So you have 110 connection, you have propane, you have 12-volt power from the engine as well. Or the best thing to do is push that A and it is automatic. It will seek the most efficient fuel source for you. Pretty nice sized fridge. The freezer is built inside of it as well. You got your pantry space. And the one thing I really love about the 24MB is the bathroom. Look at how big this bathroom is. Look at that. I'm gonna go into the shower here. Give you an idea. My arm is stretched out. I'm 5'8". I still have a lot of room to move about. But when you step out, you still have that huge amount of room in the bathroom. Porcelain toilet, your privacy door right here. And then right on the outside, you have your kitchen space. Nice feature here that has the garbage chute. Propane burner system. It's flush mounted, so it gives you more counter space to work on. You have your extended countertop as well. LED lights throughout. The leather in this is the ultra soft leather, so it's made for high traffic. You can wipe it off. It's breathable. It's actually better than real leather. Now when it is time for your bedding, all you need to do is just remove this tabletop here, remove that seat, and then power down the bed with this button here. Your Murphy bed comes down. AC is mounted on top. It is a 15,000 BTU AC, so it has a heat pump as well. So you not only get AC, but you get a heat pump, heat from the top, and a heat furnace down below. So you have two sources of heat coming at you. Well, this is Saad at Johnson RV down here in Fife. Please give me a call, 253-286-0833. Thank you.